we got here? What a really rather nasty White Castle.
Yeah, man, we pulled up on this thing. We were like, whoa, man.
This is worth everything making a video on. And I know the rain's starting to come in, but who cares? We're still filming this now.
It says that they are temporarily closed.
I don't know about that, especially with it looking really trashy.
We often don't believe the signage at these abandoned restaurants.
Yeah.
I don't feel like a castle, man. I feel like or a king, I should say. I feel like a court jester.
Yeah.
Let's
this
see.
was Adventure King's castle.
Wow. Yeah, that ain't temporary, man.
Yeah.
Half the machines are gone, and they've in their place
But wait,
put cardboard.
Look what's here.
And look at all the cables have been ripped out.
Look at this.
Well, they're always gonna claim that, right? You know what I'm saying?
Also, do you see how?
And then like here, like I'm gonna leave it be, but there's an invoice. Just.
Do you see how the electronics are on back there?
Yeah, dude.
So weird. Like, oh, we're temporarily closed. So when people come back, they're gonna be eating somewhere that looks like this.
Let's look at this lobby, dude. There's water everywhere. Oh man, that's grotesque.
Yeah, this isn't temporary.
Look at the very small dining room. Now I enjoy my sliders. I gotta say, man, I'm a fan from way back, dude. Give me the fish nibblers. Give me a small fry. Give me some of those original sliders with the extra flavor crystals, the onions.
And the extra chance to get to the bathroom.
You know that's right, man. Love going to the restroom after a White Castle trip, dude.
Why is McDonald's? First off, a few things. Why is McDonald's?
Oh, there's a McDonald's cup. Yeah, the employees, they defected and they went next door. I gotta say, this is cool, man. This reminds me of the rallies in Hamilton. There's an outdoor area. That's awesome. Also, there's these weird stairs. It looks like a scene from the movie The Exorcist. I mean, I feel like we should head down and try to get into the basement, but we better not. There's 20 cars at McDonald's all watching this show. The AK show, that is.
Watching the AK show from the King.
Man, the rain's coming down.
Nasty old flat sodas.
Yeah, man. Well, we see where the restrooms are. Often I've heard that the customers didn't even leave the building before they had to go to the restroom. Literally moments after their meal, they sought out the restroom. But that's just a rumor.
Yeah.
I cannot confirm or deny it.
But it's definitely 100% possible.
Oh yeah. Well, fans, you know, we're not gonna leave this video without taking a trip to the surprisingly clean dumpster area. Wow, shocker.
The inside's more grotesque than the outside.
There's black crud, man. This looks like what Papa Shango did to the Ultimate War here.
Hey, Ronald McDonald, you're watching us?
Yeah, so across the way is a McDonald's. It's getting plenty of business.
Yeah.
So we see and we say so long to the drive-through window. This is where people order their chicken rings and their breakfast sandwiches.
Yep. Can't do that anymore.
A large, big red, extra ice.
Oh yeah, what? Now.
Man, the rain's really coming down, AK. Let's pause real quick to say our final farewells here, man. We gotta roll.
Yeah, but I'm gonna keep this short. But remember, we filmed at this other White Castle, and every electronic was on.
Yeah.
Like even a drive-through window.
Well, this one is gone, and the rain's really coming down, man. We are out of here, y'all.
Yeah, out of here, Adventure Gear. Peace.